Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, we're going to look at how to get free website traffic for affiliate marketing leads. And I'm a LeadsLeap member, so I'm going to take you inside the back office and show you how everything works that I'm going to talk about today. And LeadsLeap is totally free to join. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description where we'll take you to a site same as this, and all you do is click on here, join for free, and set up your free account. It can be forever free, and there are other options to upgrade. I start as a free member, and if you want to upgrade later on, that's fine. Then, but it's totally optional, and you just get some more benefits if you decide you want to upgrade. And we're going to look at 6 ways to advertise today, and get free website traffic for your affiliate marketing leads. LeadsLeap includes buyers. It's really important that you advertise where the buyers are. So you'll see here that I'm a pro member and I started out as a free member. So the people that you're advertising to, which is over 120,000 members, does include buyers. And we're also going to talk about how to automate some of these traffic methods today. Excuse me. So that's really key when you're advertising, to do these 2 things: advertise where the buyers are and automate your traffic excuse me, as much as possible. So please click subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. If you like Make Money Online videos, I've got over 220 videos now on my channel to do with all aspects of making money online. And I've also done a LeadsLeap playlist down here, you'll see in the bottom left hand corner. So if you want to look at some more videos on LeadsLeap and my LeadsLeap reviews, then what I'll do is I will pin that playlist to the top comment. So let's have a look at these 6 different ways to advertise. So we're going to go onto the main site, and when you scroll down here, you'll see the tab here for free traffic. So this is going to show you 4 ways, and I'm going to show you 2 more. So the first way is to advertise to LeadsLeap members. And LeadsLeap now has got 119,000 members, and you can do that with these adverts like this. So a little image and some text, and then when people click on those ads, so I'll just show you here inside the when people click on there, I'll give you an example here, list building one here. As a free member, you get credits. So the advert will come up here. Just running a little bit slow because I'm filming a video today. So by using the LeadsLeap platform as a traffic exchange, then you're going to receive credits for doing that method of free traffic. Now, this is quite important that I mention this because LeadsLeap do things in a slightly different way. First of all, if you want to, I'll show you my ads here. I have 10 ads. As a free member, you get 3 adverts. So I've got 10 in here, but you'll see here, it also gives you all your visits, it gives you all your stats of how many, so you can see what's performing well, what's not performing well. You just download an image, you put your text in, and you can edit and change these at any time, pause them, delete them. They're all very editable and changeable. So they're really good. Let me show you here what this actually says on the website about why this is a little bit different. So if you see something that you like on one of these adverts, you get rewarded for the longer you surf. So we reward our members based on their surfing duration. A lot of traffic exchanges have got a timer, and as soon as the timer finishes, then they click onto the next advert. But what happens here is that the longer they surf, the more credits they earn. So for you as an advertiser trying to get leads, people are not just staying on there for 10 seconds. They can do, but if they see something, if they see your advert, it catches their eye, they're going to get double benefit. They're going to surf longer to actually have a look at your advert, and they're also going to get more credits, and they're also going to get more traffic by doing so. So if I just go on to here, bear with me, you can read it out. You can go onto the blog and you can read more about that here. It tells you all about it. So surf and earn continuously. So the first 5 seconds gets 0.2 credits, and the next credit every 5 seconds. So up to 3 minutes is where people are getting credits. Free members are getting credits, and you can also get credits for rating an ad as well. So that's one method of surfing. The members ads. Let's go into the second one now and have a look at the second one. And the second one on our list is going to be, scroll down, where you can advertise to the world. So even though LeadsLeap has got 119,000 members, what they do is they actually put their ad impressions on. There's more than 400,000 a day. There's what's called an ad widget and a tracker which you can use. And the ad widgets are shown to over 4,000 websites and blogs and 30,000 trackers in traffic exchanges, pay-to-click programs, safe list, and forums. So you're advertising not just within the platform itself of LeadsLeap, not just in here to the members, you're leveraging your advertising worldwide, so literally thousands and thousands of other websites. And I think that's a really good feature, because people are looking all over the world on different websites. You're not just limiting yourself to the LeadsLeap platform itself. Number 3 is one of my favorite ones, and that's to get search engine traffic. And this is really good search engine traffic. This is Google search engine traffic, and you can do that by writing a social review. So I'll just show you my social reviews. If you don't like writing, so down here on the left hand side, social reviews. If you don't like writing, then what you can do is you can go and read the reviews. So you can do a review on any MLM, affiliate marketing, product, service, software, tool. There's an A to Z here of all the different reviews that you can write about. And if you don't like writing, then all you need to do is just have a look at what other people are writing, and then just get some ideas. And then what you do from there is you just give your honest opinion on the product or service you're promoting. Now let's have a look here. I'm going to type in here traffic ad bar review. So these, because LeadsLeap has been around since 2008, it's what's called a high authority site. So under traffic ad bar review, traffic ad bar's a website traffic site that I promote. Been around for 10 years and over 1 million results. So the first one on here on the search engine is an advert, and then underneath is just literally an excerpt from a blog post. So the first listing here is LeadsLeap social review for traffic ad bar, what users say, and it's actually ranked above the website, the actual website itself, trafficadbar.com. So you can really see by doing these social reviews, what happens is, I'll just click on there, your review goes into here. You've got most helpful, most recent, best rating, worst recent. So you'll see there that I've done my review, and then what happens is when your link goes into here, into a rotator. So what happens is when people go to join Traffic Adbar or whatever product or service you've written about, your link goes into a rotator, and that's going to get you more traffic and more leads. Now, I also want to show you, this is really important as well, that with your reviews, I'll show you my reviews here and the proof. So this is free traffic. I'm getting traffic there. You'll see all my clicks here. I've just got a couple of reviews there that I'm going to. So this is all automated traffic that gets you leads and signups and sale. Once you've written the review, it's just set and forget. People come into the search engines and they want to learn about products. People always look for reviews. They always want to know what they're about, what's working, what's not working. And then what LeadsLeap do, they put you into that rotator. So as a pro member, you'll also get a promotion link where you can use this to promote, and then you're not in a rotator with that link. You can just promote your own review, and you can also leverage other reviews with that link. So if you use this promotion link as a pro member, then all the reviews will show up, but when people go to join, it's affiliated to you and linked to you, and you're no longer in the rotator. So we've got our frequently asked questions here, and you'll see here your affiliate link will be rotated to bring you free signups to these programs. So you can have a look at that if you sign up for an account. And then what LeadsLeap do with these social reviews, they also email them out for more traffic. So you're not only getting free traffic from the actual search engines, you're also getting traffic from when they do an email blast to over to 119,000 members. So the next one is multiply a few leads into 1,000, and this is their network builder 10 level messenger. So it's not MLM, and it works really well. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. This is another automated traffic source. So what happens is, if I go down here into my followers, so this is if you want to refer people to LeadsLeap. I recommend you start referring people because you can earn residual commissions even as a free member. And you'll see here, view followers. So I've referred 21 referrals, and then as a pro member, what LeadsLeap are doing is they're giving you spillover. So I'll show you how the I'll show you how the followers message works. This is an automated traffic message followers. So what you do is you set up a little message like this, and you'll see here there's 3 here associated ones that I can click on. And what I do is I put my YouTube channel in here. So what I do is I use it to promote my YouTube channel, and that way I can get YouTube views, I can get subscribers, I can get leads and sales to my products through my affiliate links under my YouTube videos. And just in the last 7 days, I've had 11 visitors. So again, this is automated. It starts out slow, but then it starts to build up. So the followers message is a great way to also get automated traffic. We're going to have a look now at 2 other ways, and building an email list is another way within LeadsLeap. So if you go into free tools, they give you all the free tools to build an email list. There are other videos on that, so I'm not going to go into that today. You get all the tools that you need to build an email list. And then what you can do is, if you use this platform LeadsLeap to build an email list, they've got two new really good features, which I'll just show you here. And one is YouTube to broadcast, and one is blog to broadcast. So again, this is going to be this is going to automate. I'm on the blog here. This is going to automate your traffic. So if you've got an email list with LeadsLeap, whenever you do a YouTube video, you can either manually or you can automate your video to go straight out to your list. There's a blog post here on it. Sign up for a free account. You can just have a look. But what it does, it's absolutely superb feature. Whenever I do a new YouTube video, every 30 minutes, that has a look at my my lists, and if I want that video to go out, it does it automatically, or I can do it manually if I want to do it manually. And the same goes for the blog to broadcast. So if you've got a blog, then the same thing is, all you do is you set it up with a feed. It tells you here just a few steps to set it all up, and this is totally automated now. So you'll see here, if you publish a blog post at 1:20 p.m, picked up by the system at 1:30 and broadcasted to your pre-selected list automatically at 2 p.m. So literally within 40 minutes of you doing a blog post, you're starting to automate your traffic and getting more blog posts, more blog views, more leads and sales. So that's another great way there to automate your traffic. So if you've enjoyed the video, please click subscribe and give me a big blue thumbs up and a like. I'd appreciate that. And if you want to join LeadsLeap, then just click the link in the description and it will take you to a page exactly the same as this. You can even try the free tools out. You can try the landing page builder out for free before you join. You can try the pop-up generator out. I use this every single day as part of my marketing. If you've got any questions at all on LeadsLeap, you can even try these free tools out before you join. So if you've got any questions at all, leave those in the comments below. And thanks very much for watching, and I shall look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.